Okay guys, ever wanted an elegant way to grow your subscriber list paired with a strong lifestyle image right beside it? Well, this section makes it feel genuinely premium. Today we're adding this newsletter banner section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here you can install any app based on your needs. Right now we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Newsletter Banner number 4. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section, type SK Advanced Newsletter and choose that section. It'll be added instantly and its settings open up on the left side. First option here lets you choose between 3 different theme designs. I'll go with the first one. Below that is the main background image. I'll add this same textured image here. You can add anything that makes your section feel more premium. After that, I'll shorten the heading a bit, removing "let's" from it. Right below that, there's the description too, which I'll replace with "app link in description." Next comes the input placeholder, where I'll switch this from email to phone. Right below that, there's a global layout option, and I'll set the width to max. Even though it creates a slight difference, it's still worth doing. After that comes the section's overall colors, which I'll adjust one by one based on my own preference. Following that, there's border thickness, padding, margin, and quite a few more settings, all of which really enhance how a section looks. After all that effort, just hit save and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.